For this technique of flashing, all you need is some counter flashing. I don't know if you can buy this with the little lip on it, but you can, if you have a brake coil stock, works nice. You can make it to whatever height you need. And we're going to use mortar, so caulk is not required for this, and a little piece of, some pieces of lead. We could just put this in here, coil this piece of lead up, and make a plug, and then tuck point it in place. 1 part Portland, 3 parts fine sand, but brick mortar will work as well. I'm going to put a little bit of water on this so it doesn't suck it all away. This roof doesn't have gutters on it, so anything that goes off the roof just goes on the dirt ground. I'm not happy with this mix. I've tested to make sure it gets hard like a rock, but it's not very sticky. So you can, I didn't do a good job of showing this on a previous video. I point my GoPro up too far. I'm still learning about that. And I was talking about which I had to cut off. There's like cut off on a, there's 4 ways to take your mix, tuck pointing mix off. There's this way, there's this way, I don't know, maybe there's only 2, but it ends up in 4 ways of putting it on the wall, because I can do it backhanded, I can do it forehanded, I think I can. These cast iron tuck pointing tools just let me pack it in there really hard. Look at when I press on that, it opens this.